What up, good YouTube people, man? It's the Insured Brand Lifestyle channel. It's your boy Deuce, and I'm about to give you another good chicken wing recipe, man. I had a couple chicken wings, so I figured, you know what? I'm gonna jazz it up. So I'm gonna make some spicy lemon pepper garlic wings. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go step by step, show you what I do, you know what I'm saying? So right now I got my cut my chicken in a few pieces. I like to use whole wheat flour when I cook my chicken. It kind of tastes like when you fry with whole wheat. It kind of tastes like the Outback Cucamonga wings a little bit. So we've been using whole wheat flour for a while. You know, it's a little bit on the healthy side. I got some seasoned salt. Normally I use regular salt, but I couldn't find none. Then we used it all. I got some lemon pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping it. Normally I would have egg wash to make it more crispy, but I don't got no eggs, so I'm gonna do what I do. All right. So my next step is start my seasoning chicken. Put a little bit of onion powder on the joint, garlic powder, onion powder. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Some seasoning oil. Normally I would use salt, but I don't got no salt. Well, I got the Himalayan salt, but I don't want to use that. And I'm gonna get a little spicy. Cayenne pepper. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for the flour. I got my flour right here. Throw some lemon pepper in that joint. Now right here, this one you don't want to overdo it because you don't want it to get too salty. Got the onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. And I got a little bit of seasoned salt. And then I'm gonna stir the joint up a little bit so the seasoning can get mixed in real good. And then with the chicken, you gotta mix that chicken up so the seasoning can get in there. Then I'm gonna dip the chicken in the flour, and then I'm gonna fry the chicken. And then, like I said, if you want your chicken to be real crispy, use an egg wash. But I'm all out of eggs, so I can't use the egg wash. Now I got my grease right here. I got my chicken is battered. Now with the grease, this is how I know my grease is ready. Cause you don't want the grease too hot. I put a little bit of water on my finger, just a little bit, sprinkling it in. If it start popping, you know it's ready. Not a whole lot of water, just a little bit of water on your fingers. It start popping, you know it's ready. Unless you got a thermometer, you got the thermometer in there, you can put it whatever temperature you want it at. But that's my way of doing it. Got to drop my chicken in there. I got like 10 wings, so I'm gonna just do 2 batches of 5. I'm not gonna overdo it. Now the chicken is gonna take about 10 minutes probably. About 10-15 minutes. You wanna flip it like halfway through. When you got it down for a little bit, 'cause you don't want to be on one side, you want to flip it. You'll start seeing it float a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But about 10 to 15 minutes, you can take it out. And then when you take it out, you want to eyeball. You can take this piece and break a piece off and see if it's done. Or if you got a meat thermometer, put the thermometer in there, and chicken got to be at least 165 degrees. Now while the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna make me up my lemon pepper sauce. So I got like 2 sticks of butter. Put the butter in the pan. We're gonna melt it down. I'm gonna add my seasoning to it. So lemon pepper seasoning. A little bit of garlic. And some cayenne pepper for spice. To make it get the heat. So I'm gonna just melt the butter, and then when the chicken come out, I'm gonna brush the chicken with the butter, or I might just even dip the chicken in the butter and put it on the pan. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Put this on the stove and let it melt. Now with your chicken, you can see it starting to get brown a little bit, right? So you don't want the chicken to get too dark. You see the drumstick part, you know what I'm saying? The blood's starting to come out. You want to flip that joint. So you don't want, nobody want no burned chicken. You want the chicken to be nice and colorful on both sides. Chicken looking good though, ain't it? And I got my garlic butter going on in the back. And my lemon pepper butter sauce going on in the back. And if you didn't know, I got some green beans. I had some leftover green beans from the holidays. We froze it. Now we're heating those back up. That's going to be the dinner for the night. Everything looking real good. So my chicken is about done. It's been about 10 minutes close to it. Now I'm going to take it out. The flash cooked a little bit faster. I'm going to cook those, I'll take them out first. I got them on a napkin. Sorry. Man. You want to drain that grease. I'll drain them off on the napkin. And look at my butter sauce. Looking good. And then I had to flip the drumstick part over a couple times. So I got that. Then I'm gonna go drop my second batch. Same thing, about 10 minutes. You probably want to flip it halfway through. Like I said, the drumstick's gonna take a little bit longer because they're bigger. Flash cook a little bit faster. And there you go. You don't want it up too high. Oh, I think I just turned it. So I gotta turn this back on. I turn the juice off. You turn the butter off. But that's it. I'm about to hook them up. Put the sauce, put the butter sauce on the wings. So my chicken is about done. It's been about 10 minutes close to it. Now I'm gonna take it out. The flash cooked a little bit faster. I'm gonna cook those. I'll take them out first. I got them on a napkin. Sorry. Man. You want to drain that grease. I'll drain them off on the napkin. And look at my butter sauce. Looking good. And then I had to flip the drumstick part over a couple times. So I got that. Then I'm gonna go drop my second batch. Same thing, about 10 minutes. You probably want to flip it halfway through. Like I said, the drumstick's gonna take a little bit longer because they're bigger. Flash cook a little bit faster. And there you go. You don't want it up too high. Oh, I think I just turned it. So I gotta turn this back on. I turn the juice off. You turn the butter off. But that's it. I'm about to hook them up. Put the sauce, put the butter sauce on the wings. So I fried my chicken. I'm gonna throw some of this. Hold on. Throw some of this lemon pepper seasoning in that joint. Stir it joint up. So, throw the butter on that joint. That's it right here. So I got my chicken in it. I poured the butter over it. And you gotta shake it up. It's a finished product. lemon pepper, spicy lemon pepper garlic wings. You want to add a little bit more lemon pepper to it, you can do that too.